Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a pretty big Fashionnova haul. So for those of you who don't know, I've just gone back to uni to do my master's degree, and so I thought I would do kind of like a back to university themed haul. So these are all kind of wearable, like kind of fashionable but also casual looks for uni. So I've got quite a bundle to get through for you guys, so let's jump to it. So the first thing I got is a pair of jeans. Now Fashionnova is my go-to for jeans. I just always find they fit really nice and they're just so comfortable to wear. I mean, the stretch is just fabulous. And I saw these ones and I loved the kind of buttons down the front. I thought they were quite like vintage looking, like almost pin-up. And then I also loved this double band at the top. Like, look how high-waisted they're gonna be. I think that's so cute. I'm not sure, however, on this faded panel here. So I normally like my jeans kind of all one colour, but I didn't notice it on the model, so hopefully when I wear them I don't notice it. But they're just a really nice kind of dark denim skinny fit, so I think these are going to be gorgeous, and they're very high-waisted, so they're going to look super cute with like crop tops, that type of thing, which is kind of like what I wear to uni. It will just be like a nice top and jeans and then a jumper over the top, that type of thing. So I thought these would be a good thing to bag. Now I wear a size 3 in Fashionnova jeans. I have done a whole video on them if you would like a more in-depth review of just their jeans, which I will link down below if you'd like to check that out. But yeah, so these are the jeans. So I'll show you a top now so I can show you the look together. So the next thing I thought would be really useful going to uni is just like a simple kind of bandeau crop top. I thought this can look really cute with high-waisted jeans, and I love the kind of autumnal khaki green colour. I just think that's really nice, and I love ribbing. Like, it's just going to be so easy to wear. And I think bandeau and like kind of boob tube style tops, they're really flattering. I think they're really cute as well, and so I could definitely like dress this up because I am doing my master's in France, so I couldn't bring all my stuff, so I had to kind of pick bits and bobs that kind of work for casual, but I can also dress them up. And this with a nice skirt, if clubs ever open before Christmas, which I don't think they will, could be a really cute look as well. So versatility, we like that. So I'll put that look on for you guys. So this is how they fit, and oh my god, I'm going to start with the jeans. These are such a nice fit. Look how high-waisted they are. They literally, I mean, they just are so perfectly high-waisted, and I love this like double band here as well. Only thing I would mention, they don't have belt buckle loops, so if you normally size up, I wouldn't with these ones. You know, you want to make sure they're nice and tight around your waist because you don't have the option. But I mean, they fit really nice everywhere. I really like how they're kind of, you know, tailored for the curvier figure. Like, I think they look great, and the length of them is nice. There's a little bit of extra room on me, but only a little bit. Like, they're pretty much bang on perfect. So if you're 5'5" and a little bit curvy like me, these jeans will be your best friend because I think they're so cute, and I love the buttons, like, just love it. And then the boob tube, I think, looks lovely with these jeans. Like, this is a really nice stylish look for uni. Like, I really like how this has come together. Only thing I would mention is, I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of got a really thin elastic at the top, so I almost find it gives me, I've got boobs above and boobs below because it's quite tight. I prefer my boob tubes to kind of have a thicker band of elastic, so it kind of, you know, it's got a bit more structure. Obviously I want it to stay up, but I don't like it when it kind of pinches in. But it's minor. I mean, it's just a nice kind of cheap and cheerful boob tube really, but it's very cute and I like the colour of it. I think it'll be really nice in kind of autumn underneath my jumpers, just in case I get too hot. But no, I really love the jeans, and the top is definitely workable. So no, I like this look. Sticking with tops, I got quite a few because Fashionnova, I just find they fit really nice and they're just so cute. I mean, look at that. It's just a simple kind of brownie burgundy ribbed t-shirt, but I mean, it's just like gonna be really figure hugging, and I think it's just gonna look so cute with blue jeans. I think it's just gorgeous, and I loved this colour. I thought that's so cute. So yeah, I won't talk much more about it because it's just a nice simple t-shirt, so let's put this one on. So this is how it fits, and I don't know why. I thought this neckline was going to be lower, but I actually really like it like this. I think this is going to be so easy to just throw on to go to uni with jeans. I just think it's really cute, and I love the colour of it, and it's so like soft and just that kind of lovely fabric that's just really easy to throw on, and I think it fits great. Like, it doesn't, it's not like a baggy t-shirt, it's a really nice fitting t-shirt, and I'm loving the colour. Like, this for autumn is just going to be so cute. Like, it's just a really nice fitting t-shirt, I think. And the back of it is the same, and it just kind of slots right in the top of my high-waisted jeans. So this is just such an easy look, I think. So, nah, I'm gonna get this in every colour. No, I'm just kidding. I need to stop doing that. I think this colour is gorgeous, so I'll stick with this one. Then sticking with simple tops, I thought a nice little tank top like this would be so cute. And I mean, it is a crop top, so it's quite short, but those jeans are really high-waisted, so I mean, it just works together basically. And I thought a tank top in this sort of colour is just really cute, really easy to wear, and it's just like, it's so casual, but also quite stylish because I love the colour of this and it matches my nails kind of, so I mean, that's just a win-win. But yeah, I just thought this was super cute and I love the racer back at the back. I think that's just lovely. So let's pop it on. But this is how it fits, and it fits exactly how I wanted it to. It's just a really easy to wear kind of fun tank top, really. And I love the length of it. It sits, like, without having to tuck it in, it sits bang on kind of where the high-waisted jeans sit. So it's just a really easy thing to throw on. And I really like the racer back. I think that's such a cute kind of style. I just think it's really sweet. It almost makes the top look like a halter neck from the front, and then from the back it's racer back. It's very cute. But no, I love this colour as well. And, you know, just gonna show you my nails again because it matches. But yeah, no, this is just a really easy kind of basic top in a very non-basic colour. Yeah. I like this one. So I was smart and I didn't just get crop tops because I know it's about to get a lot colder. So I got this gorgeous kind of pinky purple, whatever colour this is, plum maybe, turtleneck like jumper top. So it's ribbed, and I just thought this would be really cute with little skirts and tights in the winter, or just with jeans. It's so soft and it's just going to be so easy to style, I think. And I love that it's a pop of colour, because in the winter I don't just want to wear like black. I want to still be colourful, even though I'm literally in a summer dress right now that's all black. Normally I wear colour, but I thought this is a nice way to wear colour in the winter months. So yeah, I'll pop it on. This is how it fits. I mean, it's a gorgeous colour and it's so soft, but I was expecting it to be a little bit tighter fit. So this is a size small, and I just feel like even the sleeves are just a little bit on the big side, and then you can see here it kind of is just a bit loose. So it's more of just kind of a nice jumper to throw on, that kind of thing. But I love the colour, and I think it looks alright, but I'm not sure on this kind of flaring out here. Maybe tucked into jeans or tucked into a skirt will look better. I can trial this. Let's have a look. These jeans might be slightly too high-waisted to tuck it in, because I don't like it when you can see kind of the fabric bulging from where I'm tucking it. Let's have a go. I mean, that works, I think. But I've got some nice skirts that it might look nice with. But yeah, I was just expecting a tighter fit, that's all. But I mean, it's very cute. It's very stretchy, so I wonder if maybe it's kind of coming off my curves and just staying out rather than going back in tight. I have had a few rib tops that do that, so it might be me that's making it like flare out a little bit. But it's really cute. I love the colour of it. I can definitely see myself wearing it, but I don't know if it's going to hold its shape for very long. I feel like it might lose it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. And then I also got kind of more of like a going out top. It can be dressed down, and I could wear it to uni if I wanted to, a bit more casual, but I just love the style of it. So it almost looks like it's a silk scarf that you just tie around yourself, but I liked the fact this actually had like a halter, so it's got a bit more security than just a scarf tied around me. So I thought this will be so cute to wear with jeans or little shorts. I just thought it was a really lovely style, and I really like, this is like a leather, with then this detailing. I just thought this was so cute. So yeah, I'll put this on with jeans and we can see what it looks like. But this is how it fits, and I think it looks so sweet with these high-waisted jeans. I just think this is such a nice top. So I'm really excited to wear it, but I love the colours in it, the fabric, and I was worried like this leather and gold might look a little bit tacky, but I've got to say it actually looks really sweet, I think anyway. But I've matched it with a bikini underneath just because I do not trust the neckline, unfortunately. So it's a cowl neckline, and it likes to sit like this quite a lot, which means if anyone's taller than me, they're getting a full view. So yeah, it's a little bit dangerous. So if anyone has any tips on how to wear cowl necklines, I'd be very open to hearing about them, but I think it works just with a bikini underneath, to be honest, so I'm not too mad, because I think it looks really cute like this. And how nice does it look with these jeans? These jeans, like, I'm obsessed with. Like they come at that perfect height, you know, to wear all the crop tops with, and I can just wear them all the time. So I think this is a really cute look. I really like it. The next thing I got isn't a going out top, it's a going out bodysuit. Now, I have no idea how to get this on. It literally looks like it's a knot. So this is going to be very amusing to try and figure out how to even get it on. Like, there's the tag at the back there, but I mean, you can't step in the middle, there's fabric going. I'm going to try and wrap this over myself, but it's a bodysuit. Fashionnova is brilliant with bodysuits. They're always a thong back, so you can wear them under jean skirts, and you never have to worry about them. So they're just like really like streamlined. It's brilliant. And I love this kind of sparkly rose gold fabric. I thought that would look really cute, and I think I could make it casual. If I wore this with jeans and boots to uni, I think it's just a bit sparkly, but I like to be sparkly, so I don't see any issues with that. But I've got to work out how to get this piece on first, because I have no idea what's going on here. So I finally managed to get this on. It took me so many attempts. Like, I had no idea how to get it on, and I had like both of these straps on one side, and it was a nightmare. But I don't know if you can see how red like the skin is around my neck. The glitter in this fabric is quite scratchy, so once it's on, it's comfortable, and I think it fits really nice, but just bear in mind that this is actually quite scratchy, so if you've got very sensitive skin, maybe steer clear of this kind of fabric. But I mean, now that it's on, it's really unusual. It's kind of, I can't really use my arms much, but I think I've put it on right, and I think this is how it's meant to be. I might be able to, no, they just stay like that basically. But so it's a bit restrictive, but I think it's like really cute. I don't know, I think it looks really sweet, and I really like it with jeans. I think this is actually a really nice look for uni. I only need to be able to use my hands, so this top works great. But it's really cute. The back of it is also quite cute. I don't know if I've actually got this on right, if I'm being honest, because when I was like trialing it, there was a few ways that I was like, that could work, but I think this is the right way. Like, I looked at the picture and this kind of matches what the model's doing, so I think I've managed to get it on. But it does fit cute. I love a v-neck, I love a crisscross, and I really like the look of this fabric, like the rose gold glitter, but it is scratchy, so it's unfortunate that it's not really kind to the skin, but hopefully I'll just get used to it. I bully myself anyway, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. Not my favourite, but definitely workable. Definitely workable. So another thing I really like to wear either to uni or just kind of when I'm working from home, that type of thing, is cycling shorts and like a oversized t-shirt. Now, I wasn't expecting these to be made out of the fabric they are. They're almost like a swimming costume. It's kind of like a lycra. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's that I was expecting more of like a cotton, that type of thing, but even the top that it comes with is made out of the same swimming costume fabric. So I think this is going to be really comfy to wear, but it's just an unusual fabric choice. And how cool is this top? I mean, there's the animal kingdom, but I'm all about the queendom, so I just think that's going to be really cute. So surprised about the fabric, but pleasantly surprised. I think it'll actually be like really nice to wear something like that, because it's got like some weight to it, so we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it fits like, and it fits really nice. The cycling shorts fit great as well. I'm just not sure if it's like too black for my kind of style. I don't know if, it doesn't quite click when I see it like this. I don't know if it's like the size of the t-shirt or whatnot, but I think if I like turn this into kind of like a cute crop top, then I think it works. I would wear this. Like, I love the top, I love the design of it, but I think because it's almost like a shiny black, I'm not sure if I'm just not used to it. I don't know. But I mean, the cycling shorts, they fit nice, they actually don't feel cheap. Like, I don't think they're see-through. I'm sure if I dropped a squat they would be, but they're really comfy just to lounge in, so no, I'll definitely wear this. I'm just not sure if, I think maybe a brighter colour would suit me more. I don't know, let me know, but how awesome is that top? And it works really well as a crop top, like the design is on the top of it, so it's so easy to just turn into a tie top. So I think I'll wear this as a crop top more than this, but maybe, I don't know, it's growing on me. Let me know what you think, but it fits really nice, so, and it feels lovely. It's kind of really like, it's almost like cool to put on, like it's not hot at all. So no, I'll definitely wear it. I just have to work out how. This definitely clicks more to me than that. I don't know. Let me know what you think. The next piece I got is a jumpsuit. Now I really like jumpsuits because they're kind of, the entire outfit is sorted like for you. You don't have to think about, will this top go with my trousers? Will these trousers go with my top? It's an all-in-one, it's fabulous. Unless you need to pee, then they get a little bit annoying. But I thought for uni this is a really cute look because I could wear a jumper over this and then they just look like normal kind of blue jeans. But then if I whip the jumper off, it's kind of more of like a fancy, stylish university look. That's what I was thinking when I ordered it. But I really like the front of it. It's just kind of got this button detailing. And then, yeah, you could also wear a belt with it if you wanted to make it look like a corset top with trousers. That might be quite cute. But let's see what it looks like. I got this in a size, I don't know if they're done in, yeah, size small. So when you get to like the jumpsuits and dresses, that type of thing, they're not done in like size 3, 5, 7 like their jeans are. So you just have to learn what size fits you best. But yeah, let's see what this fits like. Obviously super stretchy, like everything with Fashion Nova. So let's get it on. This is how it fits, and I mean, it fits very well. I think it's really cute, but I'm not 100% sold on it. I don't know if it's the top, how the cups are done, or just kind of how the jeans actually fit. Like, I don't mind it. It does fit really well, but I'm not like as obsessed with it as I thought I was going to be. But I mean, it does fit. It looks really cute, and I like the colour of it. I think because it's a jumpsuit, this bit's kind of bulging, so maybe I need to wear it with a belt, and then the pockets sit quite high, so they almost don't, if I wear a jumper with this, I don't feel like they look like jeans because the pockets are literally like completely above my bum. So I'm not sure on it. I definitely think I'll wear it, but it's kind of like it's not as amazing as I was hoping for. And then the length of the jeans, they're a little bit short on me, so I'm 5'5", so just keep that in mind if you want this piece and you're taller than me, that they'll be like shorter leg. But I mean, it is cute. Let me know what you think. I mean, it's growing on me. I definitely think I would wear this. Like, it's my kind of thing. I need to work on the fit a little bit. I think might need a belt and then maybe no jumper, just wear it as a piece. Yeah. I don't mind it, but I'm not obsessed with it, if that makes sense. But let me know what you think. So the final piece I got is a corduroy jumpsuit. Now, I love corduroy and I love jumpsuits, but I don't know if this maybe has gone a little bit OTT now. But I mean, how gorgeous is this colour? It's this greeny blue, like velvety corduroy fabric, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. And it's not normal, like, it's got flares, it's not skinny legs, so I'm just going to put this one on because I'm not going to lie, when it's arrived, I didn't realise we were dealing with puffy sleeves. Like, can you see this? They're like slim down there and then they're like puff arms. And so I don't know if this is going to look kind of like a costume or like just not great. So I'm just going to put it on, see what we're working with, and hopefully I can make it work because this fabric is gorgeous. Like, I love this and I love the pockets and the zip. Let's just get it on because I want this to work. So yeah, these sleeves are a little bit out there. I mean, I don't know what to think about them. I don't know if I'm feeling it or whether I look like I'm out of the Mamma Mia movie. But maybe, I think if I roll them up, they look a bit better. They're not meant to be rolled up though, they're like quite tight. Does that look better? I can't tell if I've made it worse or better. But I mean, they fit really nice at the back, but again, same with the last jumpsuit. This isn't like tight to my back, so I potentially need to wear a belt with it, but it's not really the kind of thing you wear a belt with because that's literally like coming straight off my bum rather than sitting flat on my back, and I hate it. I call it a bucket back and I absolutely hate it when that happens. So I think it's in need of a little bit of altering to work on me, but I love this colour and I love this texture, but just gotta try and make it work. But I mean, it is killer flares. Just look at that. Like, I'll walk back so you can actually see it. You know, with a pair of boots, I feel like I'm ready to be a movie star. I don't even know, I love this. Not sure I'm going to be wearing it to uni though. I don't know. Let me know your opinions, but it's very fun. Like, it is cute. But yeah, it needs a little bit of work, I think, but yep, that's this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these looks. I'm always very impressed with Fashion Nova, so it was a good haul. But like and subscribe for more, and yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.